driver himself. You want to shout it out?
Yes, sir, man. Rebus_3, man. Y'all see it, see the car, see the whip, man. Make sure y'all lock into me. Make sure y'all check out my bro right here, man. He putting out the content. If y'all watch this and not subscribe, go ahead and subscribe to him, man. Lock it in, man. Stop playing with him. Stop playing with yourself. Hit the subscribe button, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Appreciate it. What's good, my community? What's good, my community? What's good, my community? Back at it with another video. If you coming back to my channel, thank you for coming back and watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Again, I say like, comment, and subscribe. To all the new people that's checking out my channel or checking out this video, feel free to subscribe. It's totally free. Feel free to check out my other stuff. I post a lot about cars, credit, family, vacations, life in general, just dope content for y'all. I vlog about everything, so I feel like I got a bunch of stuff in my arsenal for y'all to watch. But hey, go check out those videos. Turn that post notification bell on when you actually are, so you can actually know when I'm actually dropping videos. And today, before we get into the thing, like, comment, subscribe. Let me tell you how free it is to support. It don't cost you a dime. It's free 99, cheaper than a cup of coffee from Starbucks. Today we are headed to Concord again to meet up with my boy Kelsia to provide y'all some dope content. If you don't know about what's going on in Concord right now, it's the 1-year anniversary, hosted by M.P.R, Charlotte. Stunner Reese is supposed to be there. Another dope video, another dope content, and also another dope networking opportunity. So I'm about to head there. As you can see, I'm getting the car washed. It's not a show car, but I don't want to be looking dirty when I get there. But hey, man, it should be dope content, dope video for y'all. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will get back to y'all when I'm in Charlotte. Concord, my bad. Hey, man, we almost here. We about to pull up. Finally got my boy Kelsia. But hey, we about to turn up, enjoy some good content and good networking opportunity. Hey, I'll catch y'all next. ZL1. Cloud9, if you didn't know. We got my son right here. Everybody know the Stunner Reese whip. got the best Superwoman thing going on. Hey man, so we made it out here again, me and Kelsia. I ain't never seen a body style like this. This is hard. Hey, what's your speech?
Hey, I have none, thank God. Hey, all things possible.
He won something. That boy Fat Hippie won something.
Appreciate it, bro.
It seemed like Griff's he was booked up for pretty much everything. What you win?
Top 20.
Show off the award.
Appreciate it.
That's the driver himself. You want to shout it out?
Yes, sir, man. Reese_3, man. Y'all see it, see the car, see the whip, man. Make sure y'all lock into me. Make sure y'all check out my bro right here, man. He putting out the content. If y'all watch this and not subscribe, go ahead and subscribe to him, man. Lock it in, man. Stop playing with him. Stop playing with yourself. Hit the subscribe button, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, sadly, we got to the event a little late, but I was still able to get some content for y'all to enjoy when you watch this video. I just appreciate y'all watching. Sadly, when we got to the event, it was around like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and it started raining. So yeah, the event pretty much was over because everybody seen the storm coming. But hey man, we about to, well, I'm about to head home. I already left Kelsia. Hey, feel free to go like and comment and subscribe to Kelsia Sumrell channel. Do that for me. But we pretty much got some, we had to pretty much cut the day short. There was supposed to be another event today, but we wasn't able to do it because of the rain. But hey man, I want to appreciate y'all for watching. I want y'all to like, comment, subscribe. I say again, like, comment, and subscribe. It's totally free. Let me tell you how free it is. It's free 99, cheaper than a cup of coffee from Starbucks. But hey man, I thank y'all, and I catch y'all in the next video.